Okay, in order to create a new project in Altium Designer 2019, you go to File, New, Project. Once you click Project, make sure that you're here, Local Projects, select Default, give your project a meaningful name, in this case PCB Project 1, and select the folder where the project files will be located. I have created a folder already on my hard disk drive, so that is selected, and then click on the Create button. As you see, the project file will be created, although it's empty, but all the subsequent documents will be located under this. So let's do it again. Go to File, New, Project. Select Default, give your project a name, in this case 2, and we will save that this project also under the same folder, and create. As you can see, another project is created. Let's do it again. File, New, Project. Select Default, give it a name, in this case Project 3. Location, we will be saving it in the same folder. Click Create. As you can see, a project is created. All these projects are created in the same folder, as you can see here. Project 1, Project 1, Project 2, Project 2, Project 3, Project 3. All these are separate folders for each project. Another way to create a project is to create here, right click, add project, and the same create project window appears. Again, make sure this is selected, default, and give it a project. Again, give it a name, in this case project 4, same location, create. Another project is created. Let's do it again for exercise. Right click, add project, local, default. In this case, let's give the name project 5, same location, create. Another project is created. As you can see, all the projects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are located in the same folder that we had initially selected. And that's all. Thank you.